Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn rule number 2 of ing suffixes. The video will help you improve your vocabulary. So let's begin. Admit, admitting, begin, beginning, beg, begging, bet, betting, chat, chatting, control, controlling, bid, bidding, drop, dropping, forget, forgetting, flop, flopping, hit, hitting, kid, kidding, input, inputting, win, winning, wed, wedding, trap, trapping, stop, stopping, swim, swimming, split, splitting, sit, sitting, shut, shutting, set, setting, scan, scanning, run, running, wrote, wroting, read, reading, put, putting, plod, plodding, plan, planning, permit, permitting, output, outputting, omit, omitting, occur, occurring, nap, napping, hug, hugging, get, getting, quit, quitting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to watch more video.